Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore, and today daily task topic is the non-technical topic noise pollution. Now, firstly, to discuss the define of noise pollution. Noise pollution is the loud, unwanted, disturbing sound. The presence of loud and unwanted disturbing sound that the noise is our environment is called as the noise pollution. What are the major sources of noise pollution? The major sources are such as the transportation. Transportation is noise pollution. This is the noise produces in roads by cars. Transporting noise, this noise pollution produces the roads on car transporting. Noise pollution can come from various sources such as the transportation. This is produced on the road on cars and trucks, motorcycles, and buses, and the sound for their horns, air traffic produces the noise pollution. Take off the landing and noise pollution moving the trains, flight takeoff, trains and horns also generate the lot of noise in produces. And industrial factories cause the noise pollution. For example, factories machinery, generators and production processes produces the noise pollution. And and sites produces construction sites, there produces the lot of noise pollution. Drilling machine and so many are causes of the noise pollution. Hammering and heavy machineries in the construction are used to disturb and night burn and community disturbance, and produces the noise pollution by the lot of music is the in parties, any concern and public places, and music system of public places like DJ are the very large produces the noise pollution. Events, parties, they are produces in the noise pollution. They are the causes of noise pollution. The public address systems, announcement, loudspeakers, and bursting of fire rackets, crackers. There any festival or any celebration, crackers sound there produces the noise pollution. And any emergency services such as any emergency services such as and sirens of emergency produces the police cars, fire trucks, ambulance are necessary, but they are also contributing the noise pollution. They there are the outdoor couches. And now discuss the indoor couches. Indoor couches, the noise pollution at the home can be used to by the applicable for the vacuum burner, blender, washing machine, fans, air conditioner, television, and music system. There is the noise pollution, gaming in public place. They are disturbing the in public and disturb and produces the noise pollution. And background music of shopping centers, any movie centers or the sports stadium also generate the lot of noise pollution, harmful for the effect. And now to discuss the harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution harmful effects. They are prolonged exposure effects of noise pollution. Prolonged exposure cause permanent hearing loss, disturb sleep, fatigue, stress, anxiety, irritation, irritability. They are the human harmful effects of noise pollution. And now discuss the music music difference between the music and noise pollution. Now so many the music is the pleasant, rhythmatic, melodic structure, structural repeating patterns, and sudden changes. Not sudden changes. They are the musics. And the noise pollution, the unpleasant sound, lot of random and irregular rhythm and sudden changes. They are the noise pollution. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.